Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to remove parental controls in Epic Games. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us grow. Now let's get started. Open the Epic Games launcher. Click your profile icon. Then click Account. Your browser will open the Epic Games account page. Sign in if you're asked to. From the left menu, click Parental Controls. Enter your parental PIN. If you've forgotten your PIN, click Forgot Your PIN. Check your email. Reset your PIN. Then enter the new PIN. You'll now be on the General tab. Turn off Always Require a PIN for purchases using Epic Games Payment Service. Then under Epic Games Store and Fab, set Require PIN to get new content rated above to unrated. Next, click the Social Permissions tab. Turn off Require PIN to add Epic Friends. Scroll down to Epic Voice Chat Permission. Select Everybody. Then scroll down to Epic Text Chat Permission. Select Everybody. Continue scrolling. For any remaining parental control options, choose the least restrictive setting, or turn them off if available. After making your changes, they are saved automatically. You can now close the page. That's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. If you're still having this problem, leave a comment below. We'll do our best to help you. Thanks for watching.